This is a self-inflating camping mat by KingCamp, and check it out. It also has the shoulder strap as well. Now let's open it up and see it in action. This is gonna be 3 inches thick, and it's large enough for 2 people. It's queen size. This is great for tent camping, traveling, or if you have guests over, even slumber parties too. This is comfortable for double camping, and it's also self-inflating too. It also comes with these straps as well, and let's open it up. This measures 78 inches by 51 inches by 3 inches thick, and watch how quick it's gonna start inflating. All we're gonna do is open up these nozzles and it'll start self-inflating. There's 2 durable, non-corrosive screw-type valves that are self-inflating when opened. This is perfect for indoors as well as outdoors too, and great for slumber parties, camping, or when you have guests sleep over too. It is made of soft material, but also durable too. Super comfortable. Definitely better than sleeping on the hard ground. It is also very easy to clean with a damp cloth. I received this from KingCamp to evaluate and for me to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.